Hello dear, do you know the failure rate of startups? It is 90%. It means 90 startups fail out of 100. And today I would like to talk about the reason why these startups fail and how you can reduce the chances of your failure. My name is Mohammad Farooq. I am the founder of Buzdar Insights, and Buzdar Insights we advise the startups. So this is based on my experience, and this is based on the advice I give to the startups, and based on my work experience with 40 startups, I have made these points. I hope you will find this information useful. The first thing because of which startups fail is the lack of market research. If you see the startups history, that most of the startups they fail from the information industry. Those startups which are in the app development case, which are in the information industry. It is extremely strange that a startup in the information industry, in the communication industry, is failing because of lack of market research. People in construction industry also fail because of lack of market research. So what is the market research? Market research is knowing that what is there already in the market, how many companies are operating, what kinds of skill set they have, who will be our customer, who will buy our customer, and at what price they can afford to buy our product. So in this video I will like to talk about only market research. There are firms which provide market research. I would request you that if you are going to open a startup, you must first do the market research, and to understand the market research you need research courses. If you are looking for the research courses, you want to know that how you can do the SWOT analysis, how you can do the market planning, then there are many books of Buzdar Insights. Those are written by me, Mohammad Farooq Buzdar, or the people in my team. You can read those books, you can watch the videos on Buzdar Insights and Mohammad Farooq Buzdar, a YouTube channel which is with my name. You can find many research courses over there for the startup founders, for the search development skill. And in case you want to have a template, we have a business plan template. That template talks about the people, the competition in your area, the kind of pricing you can have. So my advice to you is that it's not compulsory that you avail services of Buzdar Insight or watch our videos. There are other videos on YouTube, you can also watch those videos. But the basic thing is you must focus on the market research. Those companies which do not focus on market research are at the end of the day going to fail. There is one book of Eric Ries which is the lean startup method, and the Eric Ries advise almost the companies in the Silicon Valley. As per him, the companies fail because they do not know the requirements of their customers. So whenever you have a product, bring it into the market, show the prototype to the customers, ask them do they like it, will they pay for it or not. So this is my advice I wanted to share with you all. The importance of the market research. I advise you to always go for the market research, avail the services of market research companies, or if you cannot avail the market, you cannot afford, because at the startup stage most of the startups cannot afford this, better you go to the market research, meet some people, or the best ways, if you are a graduate, do some internships, do some time job maybe for 1 year in the company in which you want to start a startup. This is the best thing. After joining the company you will know the type of requirements you need before starting the company, before investing the money in it. So that's what I wanted to advise to you. If you find it useful, please share it with your colleagues, please share it with all your friends and family members who are going to open a startup or who are in the startup business, so that they can do their market research before launching any product. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.